Hello everyone, welcome back to the rubric Did You Know? Did you know that English has many ways to express like? Let's explore the difference between like, love, enjoy and prefer. We use like for general preference. For example, I like chocolate. Love shows a strong feeling. I love spending time with my friends. And enjoy is for activities we find pleasurable. I enjoy reading books on weekend. And the last one, prefer, is used when comparing two or more things. For example, I prefer tea over coffee. Here's a quick tip. You like something, you love someone or something, you enjoy doing something, and you prefer one thing to another. Practice these words and you'll sound more fluent in English. Goodbye.